Hello guys, it's Purple
Oh, Snooki!
and Snooki. I received a big box. Come here.
I'm coming.
I received a big box. You know what this is? It's our Tigos come from the USA, and the artist is Wonderland by Lynn Davis. So let's open this. Where is the
knife?
Knife is there. Want to open it?
I want.
Okay. Okay.
Turn. For safety.
Yeah. Okay.
No, it's not completely. Okay. I just find it.
Don't cut me.
I don't cut you.
Don't
Just-
cut me.
Just don't move.
Okay. I just want to remove one part because I want to.
Oh!
Oh my god! We are like this. It's like this in the bag. 1 second.
The first?
First you go.
Snooki! Kigu! Ah!
I will open. Oh my god! Oh, that's so soft.
Oh, okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, god damn it!
Oh, that's so cute.
Ah!
Oh,
Oh,
paper.
paper.
Oh,
Oh! Surprise!
a surprise. Look. Surprise? What is it?
I don't know. Instruction?
Oh,
Oh!
it's a BD.
Oh,
Look.
cute.
It's a BD. So cute. You can look at it. Stickers. A card.
Business card?
Business card. Another business card. Fruit Buddies business card.
Yeah,
Another business card. God damn it. Okay, that's it. Okay. Oh my god. This is my best friend Kigu. We will put it after. Just like this.
Give me 2 seconds.
Like this. Oh my god. Your tail.
Fluff, fluff.
Okay. This is your Kigu. And you will
Yes.
put it after. Okay. Now
Oh my
my Kigu.
Oh, God.
My Kigu. Oh.
Oh,
Envelope for
no,
me.
no.
What boy?
Boy.
Another envelope for me.
Boy.
I think it's the same stuff. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
A BD.
Ah, c'est pour ça
This
qu'elle
is
avait,
card again.
c'est pour ça qu'elle avait demandé si c'était une ou deux personnes.
Oh yeah, that's why. And Fruit Buddies. Yeah, that's nice. How many people are watching? 3. Okay.
Okay. 3 people looking.
Oh, that's my Tigu. My Tigu is there. And go away from.
Kigu, Snooki, Kigu.
Oh my god, that's so fluff.
Fucking fluff.
My tail. And oh my god, the buttons are so huge.
Oh yeah, the bottom is fucking huge.
Okay, let's put it. I just want to move the camera. 1 second. Okay. Ah! Sorry guys. Ah. Okay. I will undo the buttons. The big buttons. Big buttons.
Fine.
Do we have to undo all the buttons? I don't think so. Okay. I will put it.
Oh.
Are you okay?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Oh my god, that's so soft. My paws! Ow! Ow!
Ah! Il faut parfaitement!
Huh? What did you say?
It's perfect fit.
Perfect fit! Well, that's awesome. Okay. Oh my god, it almost fit my fursuit. Okay. Put this button. And finally, this button. I just want to. Okay.
Rawr, rawr.
Okay, 1 second. What the hell is that? Okay.
Il y a des poches. Pocket.
Oh! Pockets!
Yeah, a pocket.
Okay. We have paws. Like that. And
Wow, 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 wow.
now I will remove my head.
Wow, 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 wow.
Ow! Remove your head.
Yeah, yeah, put the second head.
And oh! I can't see! I can't see!
Oh no!
Ah! Just kidding. I see. Just like that.
Ah!
That's so cute. Now I can't see anything.
Ah!
I love them so much.
My god. This is very nice.
Oh my god, it's wonderful on you.
Wow, wow,
Okay, that's it, guys. Bye bye.